Hello friends, Abhishek, welcome you all on my YouTube channel, the Options Desk. So this is a Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty analysis video that we will analyze the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty for the 21st of May, that is Thursday's expiry, what levels we can expect and how the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty can perform, and also the option chain analysis. So now let's begin. So as you can see, this is the 15-minute chart of Nifty 50. As you can see, the Nifty 50 gave a good move after it broke above the 100 EMA. So as you can see, this is the black line or the 100 EMA on the 15-minute chart, and the support stayed at 9,000. So for tomorrow, let's mark the levels on the support and resistances what Nifty 50 can face tomorrow. So very good support stayed at the 9,000 levels. I will also tell on the basis of the option chain why this is a very good support. So let me mark the support. So 9,000 levels will act as very good support. On the other hand, if the Nifty breaks at this support, a very important support that it stays at 8925. It was also the major support for the past 2 days. As you can see, the 8925 for the 20th of May, and also the when Nifty 50 was breaking and it was coming down on the 90th of May, it acted as a very good support, and it also retested back at this particular point. So 8925 will act as very good support for the Nifty 50. So for the seller basis, a risky seller can take a trade below the 9030 at the spot price, or he can buy a 9050 put at this particular level. So for the target of 30 points, and he must stay cautious at this particular level. So at this particular level, the 9000 will act as very good support for the Nifty 50. So on the other hand, what levels we can expect on the upper side? So if we broke above this high or the today's high of the Nifty 50, if we open flat tomorrow, if we broke above the today's high, we can definitely go for the level of 9145 or this particular level. Why this particular level? So as you can see, this was also the resistance that Nifty 50 was facing, and when it was coming down at this particular level, this was also support, and it also closed around 14th of May at this particular level. So this level, that is 9145 or 9150 around level, will act as very major resistance when the Nifty starts to move on the upper side. So on the upper hand, let's see what levels can we expect. That is the 9200 level, that is 9196 level, can act as very good resistance at this particular level of the Nifty 50. And on the upper side, that is the maximum level resistance, that is stays at 9282 or 9280, which level can act as very major resistance for the Nifty 50. So these are the upper 4 levels that I have marked already for you, and I will also upload a chart analysis on the TradingView. You can just go and follow me on the TradingView. The link is in the description, so that you will get all the chart analysis for the Nifty 50 trading tomorrow. So a very major support, if the Nifty 50 becomes very bearish for tomorrow, a very major support is at 8850 level, which can act as the Nifty 50 stopping point for the tomorrow's levels. So now let's go on the 1 hourly time frame. Just a moment. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a 1 hourly time frame. So as I've already mentioned, that the 9145 level on around 9140 will act as a interim resistance for the tomorrow's Nifty 50. So you should stay cautious, and the call buyers at this particular level should start trying to book their positions or book their profit if they are in profit, if they have taken the position above the 90 or the today's high and they bought a call, so that they should start booking a profit at the 9145 level. So on the other hand, the resistance is at 9195 or the 9200 level, and if this level is also broken, the Nifty 50 can head to the one of the very major of the strong resistances at the 9280 level, which I think it should not come. So the Nifty 50 should stay in the 9200 to 9000 levels tomorrow. So now let's see on what basis of the option chain can we get. So this is the option chain. So as you can see, a very major put writing was there at this particular point, that is at the 9000 strike prices. So this is the option chain of Sensible, as you can also go and view on your end. And Sensible is a pretty much good software, and it also gets you an analysis of the max pin and other levels. So now let's see of the info. Just a moment. So this info will show you what the levels can we expect tomorrow in the Nifty 50. So yeah, you can see the max min is at 9000 and it is bearish, so we can go, but the bearish it is given because of the put writing was very good at this particular level. So it might change up tomorrow, so I request you not to confirm on this data. It might change up tomorrow as the put writer starts to cover their position. So now let's actually go to the NSE option chain. So as you can see, this is an NSE option chain, and the Nifty 50 closed at around 9066 level. So now let's see where we are. So at this particular point, somewhere here at around 9050 9100 we are at the money. So at this particular point, as you can see, what happened today. So there are two major changes today that happened. That is at 9000 strike price, there is a major call side covering. As you can see, that is 7,27,000 of the call writers covered their position, and on the other hand, there was a very major call writing at this particular level, that is at the 9,000 level. The around 16 lakh contracts are there, and 8,41,000 people have added the call. The put writer added the position of the change in Y was this much. So previously it was around 8 lakh, and the 8 lakh was added today itself. So as you can see, this is the level for the Nifty 50. So as you can see, this is the expiry of the 21st of May, that is 9066. So I'm analyzing the 21st of May expiry, and I'm not analyzing the final May expiry. So on the other hand, let me look at, so this, yeah, 9,000 will act as very good support for the Nifty 50 for tomorrow. If it is broken, the level of 8900 or 8955, as already mentioned in the charts, at this particular level, the 8925 will act as the next support for the Nifty 50. So now let's see on the upper hand. So upper hand, you can see there is no further resistances at this particular point until that 9250, which gives a very good resistance at this particular point. So around 9250, 9350, Nifty can face a resistance if it starts to move on the upper hand. So there is also no put writing, so there is, and the call rating is also very less at this particular point, as the 15 lakh Y standing there. So this particular range, so what the range I am expecting for the Nifty 50 for tomorrow is at around 8950 till 9200. So this would be the range that I am expecting for the Nifty 50 tomorrow, and as the max pin stays at 9,000 bearish, we can expect a heavy movement tomorrow in the Nifty 50, and I request you to stay cautious and trade with the less quantities tomorrow, as it is the weekly expiry. So now let's go to a chart of Bank Nifty. Just a moment. So as you can see, this is a 1 hourly chart. So now let's shift it to the 15 minutes chart. So as you can see, when the Nifty 50 did broke the 100 EMA and went around 80 points above, the Bank Nifty tested the 100 EMA, but it couldn't break above. So this will act as very good resistance for the Bank Nifty for tomorrow. And if it breaks the next resistance, as you can see, that is 18180. At this particular point, the Bank Nifty should face a resistance. If the 18,000 level is broken tomorrow, we can expect a good rally till the 180 points in the Bank Nifty. On the other hand, if this final resistance is also broken, we can expect a very major the point of the resistance at this particular point as this level. Just a moment. Yeah, that is around 300 points. So we can expect a 300 to 250 points rally in the Bank Nifty tomorrow if the resistance of 18,000 or the strike of 18,000 is broken in the Bank Nifty tomorrow. So these are the major. I will already upload the charts in the Nifty and Bank Nifty in the TradingView. By the time you are watching this video, the charts would have been already uploaded. So I request you to go and check the charts on the TradingView, and please follow me for the regular updates. So now let's see what are the major supports the Bank Nifty can do. So as you can see at this particular point, so if the level of around 17,800 or 17,770 to be precise is broken at this particular point, we can expect a very good downfall to the level of 639 or 600 level. So this particular point, we can expect a 170 point drop in the Bank Nifty if the 17,770 level is broken, and the very strong supports here at the level of 17,400. So these are the three major support and resistances for the Bank Nifty for the tomorrow's expiry, and I request you to trade in small quantities and do not try to buy the OTMs, as they can become worthless if they expire out of the money. So now let's go to the Bank Nifty. Just a moment. Yeah. So as you can see, the Bank Nifty expired at 17840. So now let's see where. So we are somewhere at the money at this particular level, that is at 17,800 and 17,900. So what you can see at this particular point, the 17, there has been a massive put writing at this level. So let me plot it clearly. So as you can see, there has been a put writing as the total OI is around 1 lakh, and the change in OI was added today itself, that is about 81,000 itself, and the put right in the call covering has been there on the highest strike plus, that 18,000. There has been a call covering of the 67,000 change in OI, and on the other hand, there is no major distances on the upper hand. So we can expect an up move tomorrow, as there has been a massive put writing also. The max pin might change tomorrow as the put writer starts to cover the position. So I just tell you to check the max pin once again in the morning, and I will also update on my Telegram channel that what can the levels we can see in the Bank Nifty. So as you can see, I have already marked these charts will be already uploaded on the TradingView for your purpose. So I request you, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. I will try to upload more videos and more charts for your help, and when you will click on this link, the options Telegram, you can go on directly join my Telegram link, where around 854 members are added, and I try to forward the daily stock options levels that you can earn the daily profit. So thank you for the video and have a nice day.